the solar street light that I fixed. It's charging right now. Climbing up to check it. Now I'm here up. See, that is not working. I installed it on a new pole and it's working. It's just charging. Great thing I repaired it. That's on a new pole. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna go inside and test it. So yeah, just wait. Okay guys, I removed it from the pole. So it's here. Look how sketchy that is. This guy's standing, just holding this guy. And this guy's pretty heavy. And look. Here's the solar panel. Let's try to turn it on for the first. Holy shit. So that is pretty bright for a solar street light. Holy shit. But this, I'm gonna show you where this goes in. Okay, I'm gonna pause. So it goes here at this. These are the scratch marks, and the hook goes in here. So I'm gonna show you how to get it in. That's a garden light, and my new one is this guy. Let me try to turn it on. Okay. It isn't really bright because this guy is old. That board is from here to one of these solar lights. This one does work. And I'm gonna show you how to install it or just place it up there, and I'm gonna cut it again. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna install it again. So I installed it. It's back. Let me go up and show how is it on the thing. So some people might think it's levitating because it's not welded or bolted or drilled in the cement. This is pretty high up. You see that? Look at that. The hook that I showed you earlier is just there, barely struggling. And there's a risky chance that this guy might break. So, that was my friend. But it was sketchy. Because imagine that part breaks. So if a storm comes here in Philippines, work gets cooked. So yeah, that's it. That works. Pretty bright when it's night. So yeah, peace out guys. Bye-bye.